Good day everyone, my name is Charles Cantao, grade 11 from section Quartz. In this day we will gonna do an interesting experiment, and that experiment is an informative volcanic eruption demonstration. To make this experiment success, we will need 2 empty egg trays, a boiling water, a soda, and especially a Mentos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to tear the egg trays into tiny pieces. Why we are doing it? So if we pour the boiling water into the already teared trays, it is easily to us to crumple it and assemble it to volcano. So while we are doing it, while we are tearing the egg trays, here is the information or the other information about volcanoes. The name volcano comes from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. A volcano is formed when hot molten rock, ash, and gases escape from an opening in the Earth's surface. And did you know that more than 80% of the Earth's surface is volcanic in origin? Like, wow! The seafloor and some mountains were formed by countless volcanic eruptions. Gaseous emissions from volcanic form the Earth's atmosphere, and there are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. Isn't it interesting, right? So, after we are tearing, we will go back. So after we are tearing it into tiny pieces, second, we need to add the boiling water into our tiered trays. After we pour the boiling water into our tiered trays, we are now start to crumple it like a wet paper. Then we will put the soda into a plain surface. And we will start piling a mashed egg trays to the body of the soda until it forms a reverse cone shape. After we make a reverse shape cone or the structure of a volcano, we will now start the main event of this experiment, which is putting these Mentos inside the soda. So let's start. Wow! Just observe how nice it's erupt. In our observations, or in my observations, as the Mentos candy sinks in the bottle, the candy causes the production of more and more carbon dioxide bubbles, and the rising bubble react with carbon dioxide that is still dissolved in the soda to cause more carbon dioxide to be freed and create even more bubbles, resulting in the eruption. Comparing to the volcano eruption, the soda inside the liquid represents the magma, the wet trace represents the volcano itself, and the Mentos is we will use as an activator to activate the magma or the soda to overflow outside its crater and become lava. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.